All right, guys. So let's try to get past these accounts today. Um, we're just bouncing around here. Definitely see it going down. So it'd be nice to come down to this level um, if we're going to go down today. Or if we come up here, let's get a little bit better. Yeah. I wish they would snap in. I freaking hate the fact they don't snap. But whatever. I'll figure that out. So that's where we're at. I mean, if price has gone down all the way there, I'll also bring it down here. But where price opened there. And then if price comes up the day before. All right, let's go to 240. Let's get that. Data series, 90 days, whatever. So we came down, we hit a little block right there. So let's get the 4 hours here. It needs to be a little bit lighter. 4 hour here. Really like that. And I like this part here. And then bring it down to the 60-minute. And we'll see what happens at price right here. This is kind of like interesting for a 60-minute. Yeah, see, like, we'll see. I'm kind of interested in this when it comes down. What will it do right here? But we'll see. We've got shot right through there. You know, what is this? 174, 200 points. I mean, gee, yikes. All right, so let's see where we're at for news. FMOC meeting minutes. Okay, we don't care about that. Damn. Well, got rejected off that hour. Open and close. So we'll see. We do have three $250,000 accounts that I bought yesterday that I want to trade, but I want to trade these guys first. What are we dealing with? 311, a 70-point difference. Yo. I mean, this is like, I'd love to see this sell happen. 257. 257 is kind of like where I want to see it if we're coming down, but really, it's like I almost want to see the sell here now. On the 500 tick, it's not just consolidating. There it goes, popping back up. So it looks like oil is inverse today. Looks like. Let's see. So you have 939. Looks like it wants to go back up. And that's the move. Yep. So we'll see where it wants to go, where price wants to go. Waiting for a 5-minute close. You know, it's gonna probably come up to here. Hit that area. And see what happens when we get to this area right here. The 409s. Yep. It's gonna hit that, that's for sure. It's gonna hit the 409. Do we take a quick scalp on the 409? Let's see what it does here. We're still waiting for 3 minutes. I want to see a candle closure above it. I'd like to see it come down to here. That'd be nice. Look at that. Look at that. Man, I should have taken that. 40 points. Gonna keep down too. Keep going. Yep. Let's see what it does here. See a blast through that. Should have taken that. Nice little 60-point move. Yep, there it goes. See what it does. Yep, shoots up. Let me get a better entry, because like that was a really good reaction. We'll see what it does. It gets down to this. There it goes. Are we pushing through that? I just can't get an entry here. Like, look, there's a great reaction right here. I'm pushing up. So this would be like the pullback right now. Look, it's just pushing. I mean, we could have caught a 60 here and a 60 here. Well, we'll see. What's the 5 minute tell us? You know, 5 minutes says No good, right? 5 minutes, like basically consolidating, although the 15 still says it's going up. I do want to take this short because it failed. I wanted to do a lower low. So we'll wait. Really don't need a higher low. I want it to continue down. Okay. So we will be going higher. We go 600 off that. So we definitely need a winning day. We need one trade to win. Just sucks. You know, I've been working for 2 weeks on these two. Really need for it to work. Need to close below this. I mean, for me, I just want to sell. I just want to sell. So I'm gonna ride it. I'm gonna ride it down. It needs to push through this. If it pushes through that, we're good. See, it's getting a lot of resistance here. But I want it to collapse right off this. Collapse, 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 collapse. It's really wanting it to, like. Never goes my way. Never goes my way. You know, it needs to price needs to just push down. We take the 200 and say fuck it, because I still think it's going down, but you know, the 5 minute tells me yes. It needs to get through this area right here. Right here. This area, it's just not wanting to push through. Just the area right here. If we get past this area, it's gonna pour down here. But like I said, if we get stopped out, yeah, $1,000. Okay, so we'll switch to this and see. Let's see. So we're down to 50,500. We lost all that money the last 2 days. So, you know, that's negative 2,100. Is what it is. Still trying to trade, still trying. We'll try to take a 10 a.m. reversal. So we'll try to take a 10 a.m. reversal. You know, I'm being stupid because I didn't follow my rules, but you know, sometimes you just get pissed off. So we're all human, but it's okay. Let's see what it does here. Right now we have this Apex $250,000 account, so we will see. So is this a 10 a.m. reversal? Is this a 5-minute? Yeah, 50. So we'll wait for these guys knock the fuck down. Just gotta be smart about them, you know? So it does not want to go through that. We'll buy. We're just gonna get chopped. Chopped! This is a 10 a.m. reversal. I tell you what, like, whatever. Damn, that's 1,700. Like that, like that! We're just gonna get chopped on this. So let's like see if we could do some like scalping with this one, because I mean, who gives a shit, right? And I see this little... I might blow this account in like one day. It's alright though, I don't give a shit. You know, I got this for 17 bucks, so... Is this a 10 a.m. reversal? Yeah. So we'll just go down here. We'll just full port it. Let's just go down here. Come on. Pour down. There's one. Let's see where this. If it gets past here, I'm full porting it. Why is there 22? I mean, it hasn't came down here, so like... If it shoots down there, like, I'm done for the day. Like, it popped up. Like, even if it comes down here and takes some out, like, it hasn't hit this area right here. It's bouncing, it's bouncing. Like, it needs to come up. But it needs to come up. I mean, if it comes down and takes me out, like, whatever. Like, whatever. Like, it needs to come up. That's where it needs to go. And not only that, but it needs to come up, like, past here. So, we'll see. It's just bouncing around. Like, this is fucking, like, bullshit, whatever. But, it's alright. Are we having a 10 a.m. reversal? Like, what's the 10 a.m. reversal? Down? Could be. That's what 10 a.m. reversal is. It's looking like it's going down. Alright. Fuck it. We'll let it ride. It needs to come down and it needs to close below this. Wait for it to get down to here. Yay. Well, we reached all of our DLLs today. It's alright though. Whatever. Anyways, guys, you have a great day. I shouldn't have traded today, but whatever. So tomorrow.